Ovente's 2000 Cyclonic vacuum is not only extremely beneficial for eliminating dust and dirt but can also purify the air. It is one of the most important components in maintaining a healthy home. Its advanced multi-level high-efficiency particulate air system captures small particles as small as 0.3 micrometers in diameter. That is 300x smaller than a hair. It efficiently traps debris such as hair, clothing fibers, bits of dead bugs, pollen, and much more. This vacuum is powered by 12 watts and uses non-stop suction to pick up dirt in just one pass. It is engineered with a bagless design that comes with a translucent dust compartment with an LED light alert when the dust container and filters are full. It comes with several premium attachments that will help you clean hard-to-reach areas with ease. These premium attachments for cleaning various surfaces include floor brush up, down, combination crevice nozzle, bristle brush corners, shelves, curtains, furniture, etc., and telescopic metal wand ceilings, hard-to-reach areas. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Powerful and bagless. This vacuum is equipped with 12 watts that use non-stop suction to deep clean surfaces in one pass. Its bagless design comes with a translucent dust compartment with an LED light alert when the dust container and filters are full. Number 2. Advanced multi-level filtration. Say goodbye to dirt. A high-efficiency particulate air filtration system removes 99.9% of dust and debris such as hair, clothing fibers, bits of dead bugs, pollen, etc. It can collect particles that are 300x smaller than hair. Number 3. Packed with attachments. It comes with premium attachments for cleaning various surfaces: floor brush, combination crevice nozzle, bristle brush, and telescopic metal wand. Number 4. Convenient. This vacuum comes with a step button to turn on, off, automatic cable rewinder, 360 degrees hose swivel, and telescopic wand that will help you get to hard-to-reach areas. Number 5. US-based customer service lets you buy with confidence. Ovente warranties that the product shall be free from defects in material and workmanship under normal use and conditions for 1 year from the original purchase date, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.